from Professor Chalam, who's writing in from Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and this is on Tata Motors. He's bought 66 shares at a price of 953. Let's pull up the chart and see where it's currently trading. It is at 903, having given up just a little bit of ground, down about 1.5% in trade. What is the future target? Should he buy on dips is the question. I'm guessing he's got a long-term perspective on this. Saurabh, on the fundamentals, we've discussed on this program as well, the prospects for Jaguar Land Rover. I was looking at the distribution of retail sales, and they've got about 20% of sales in China. And they've got underperformance in sales in Europe as well. So if you're talking about Europe and China that are already underperforming, is there a question mark over performance in the near term, and therefore what would you do with this stock?
I mean, you're absolutely right, Alex. I mean, the company has already given a guidance that they feel pressure in their global businesses, and their premium segment is also taking a hit now. So there is always a concern with respect to now the sales of the Land Rover and Jaguar, particularly in US and in Europe and China. And in the Indian market also, I think the sales are dipping, and these companies, all the automobile companies, are coming up with the festive discounts in fact in the festive season. So my take is a bit negative on the overall for the automobile sector, and I would not recommend to get into Tata Motors right now.
All right. Well, that's the view on Tata Motors. But the next question is from Kamlesh Majithia, who's from Porbandar, Gujarat. And this question is for Vaishali. He's holding 175 shares of Punjab Chemicals and Corporation, and he purchased it at 1180 a piece. Now, he wants to understand whether he should hold or he should add more shares to his portfolio. So, Punjab Chemical and Corporation is the stock. Your view, how does it look on charts?
So I think currently it is showing signs of improvement, but further confirmation, I think about 1200 levels. So he can accumulate at these levels also, because right now currently the stock is in the process of making higher bottom formation. The confirmation of higher bottom comes only once the stock moves about 1200, as I said, and I think that would give scope for further higher targets. So if time is not the concern, I mean, he can start buying at these levels again.
All right. A lot of our viewers tuning in from Gujarat today. Hi from the studio. By the way, Mahima's from Gujarat as well. I wonder there's a connection there. They're all saying hi to you, Mahima. So the next question, I'm not sure who this is. They're not telling us where they're from, or in fact what their name is. If you can share your name, KGCP. The question is on Aarti Industries, bought at a level of 501, and also Tattva Chintan and IRFC. Which of these are a clear avoid from the perspective of long-term investments?